Hi, this is Maddie Heckman, Head of Real Estate Content here at Markets Group, and I'm joined today by Brian Biggs, Vice President of Research at Grosvenor. Brian, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
So tell us, what is your multifamily strategy today?
Yeah, so we're still focused on high barrier to entry, low supply gateway markets. These have fallen out of favor over the last couple of years, but we think the fundamentals that drove their performance over the last 15 years are still there, and they're set to come back.
Okay, so from your panel discussion today, what were the key takeaways?
Yeah, so the topic was the rise of multifamily, and I opened by saying multifamily's already risen. Multifamily is the most popular product type for institutional investors. So rather than talking about the rise, we're going to talk about a little bit what is the state of multifamily today. And we talked about slowing revenue growth, dilutive leverage, rising expense growth, and the challenges that poses. And it was really interesting to hear from my fellow panelists because they were able to showcase some of the creative solutions they've found to get around some of those facts and operate when the market conditions are tough.
Okay. And then what has been the most interesting or compelling thing that you've learned today thus far?
Yeah, for me, the most interesting thing I've learned today was I work for a GP. I loved hearing from the LPs or the LP advisors because that's a completely different world to me. I can hear secondary from them in my day-to-day, but it was great to talk directly to the source and hear about how the other side of the table, if you want to put it that way, is thinking about investing in multifamily today.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Brian.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.